This video is intended to help you complete the Intro to Onshape 2D assignment in your Google Classroom. Intro to Onshape 2D. These are the two-dimensional drawings that you're going to create using Onshape. In this first video, I'm going to go over how to use some basic tools like line, circles, arcs, and rectangle. Log into Onshape using your Albany City School District account. Make sure you're logged in as yourself and sign in. You're going to go to your class folder, depending on what class you're in. Go click on your folder and you're going to create a new document. Call this document Onshape 2D. And now it's time to begin. Onshape is a three-dimensional CAD program. It starts off with three-dimensional CAD tools across the top. We want to start with a 2D sketch. So what we have to do is click Sketch, and we're going to place our sketch on the front work plane. So we're going to click on the front work plane and click Front on the Orbit tool over here. And now we are in sketch mode. As you can see, your panel has changed across here. And now we have the ability to sketch. If you want to turn off these lines, or any of these lines to make it a clearer view, you can right-click on them and click Hide All Planes. Now you have a clear area to sketch from. First tool we're going to use is the line command. If you look at the drawing, we have 4 horizontal lines and 3 vertical lines. We're not worried too much about the dimensions right now. We're just going to sketch out them to get practice. I'm going to go to the line command. I click, and to end drawing a line, I double click. And now I can start another line. Click, click. And if I single click, the line will stay connected. We do not want that. A couple options you can do are to right click, escape line. Then you have to click the line again, click, and to just draw a single line, you double click. There are my 4 horizontal lines. Now I'm going to draw 3 vertical lines. See, I did not double click. I right click, escape line, right line. Oh, that line is crooked. So I'm going to undo that line and start it again. There's different ways that we could go back and make that line vertical. For right now, these are some of the basics. So there are my horizontal lines. The next shapes were 3 rectangles down here at the bottom. To use rectangle, there's 2 options. There is a corner-to-corner rectangle that you click and drag, or you can do a center point rectangle that makes the rectangle from the center and it expands. So you're going to sketch a couple rectangles, so 3 rectangles down here at the bottom. The next shapes were center point circles. There was 1 circle, another circle, and then you're going to draw circles that are concentric, meaning they share the same center point. Click and drag, then I'm going to go back to the center point and draw a second circle. The last 2D drawing we want to learn how to use is an arc, 3-point arc. Click on 3-point arc. You click one side of the arc, then the other, and as you move your mouse up or down, it changes the radius of the arc. So there is 1 arc. There is another arc. So we have some basic 2-dimensional tools we've learned how to use. In the next video, I'll show you how to dimension them.